Hello friends and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox the new Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT which was launched recently, and this was bought by a retail outlet for 11,490 rupees. As you can see in the box, it has been quoted as 12,300, but we can get it through Amazon or Flipkart for 11,490. So it has a 5.5-inch HD Amoled Super AMOLED display, Exynos Octa-core processor, 13 plus 5 MP front and back camera. It has a 4G VoLte. It supports Geo 4G, and it has 2 GB of RAM, 64 GB of octa-core processor, and 16 GB of internal memory. And you can add a external SD card for this. It's not like the hybrid system which you get in the other devices. So let's start with the unboxing. So this is the device. I'll keep it aside. Let's see the box content. So we get a quick start guide, which is not necessary. Headphone cable. I think the Samsung should improve their quality in headphones. They always give a basic headphones for a high range mobile. So as you can see, here's a button. There is a button to take the call or end the call, and micro USB to USB data charging cable, and a power adapter. As you can see, the power output is 5 volts at 1.55 amps. So as it has a 3000 mAh battery, it will take a little bit of time to get charged. So, and you actually get a battery inside it. It was removed to check the mobile. So this is the device. This is right. Simply keep this things to side. So as you can see, this is the mobile. It's a black color. You can also get it in gold color. So I'll give a physical overview of this device. On the top you have nothing. On the left side of the mobile you have the volume rocker. And the downside you have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB data syncing and charging cable, and noise cancellation mic. On the right side you have a power unlock button. The back you have a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash and Samsung branding. On the front you have a 5 megapixel camera and LED flash for the front camera. A capacity button which don't light up. That's the weak point of these devices. You can open the back cover. As you can see, this is the battery. It's a 3000 mAh battery. Here on the first slot you can actually put a micro SD card in the first SIM, and the second slot will go to the second SIM. And the first slot only supports 4G LTE. The second slot supports 2G, and it's manufactured in India, as you can see. And I'll start the phone now. It gave me active feedback. So the mobile is now booted up, all set. Actually it was Actually I set the mobile in the shop only to check it out. So this is the interface. Let me keep the brightness level down. So going to the settings, software information, you get Android version, Nougat update on this one. This is the Nougat version, and the security patch is 1st July 2017. So there is no worry of the security level over this one. And coming to the storage, you get 16 GB internal storage, and you can expand up to 256 GB and 2 GB RAM. Wait a minute, under management, not here. So coming to storage, from the box you get 6 GB, you get 10 GB available space, and the system space is 6 GB. You can add a micro SD card to have extra storage, and yes, that's about it about the mobile. And coming to the camera, it has a 16 megapixel camera. So we focus it. So as you can see, there is a lot of clarity in the picture. I can see this one a little bit, and also this one. We get a front facing flash in this, and for the menu option you need to slide up. So you get a basic Samsung apps here, Google apps, Microsoft apps, Play Store, phone, message, camera, everything. So there is no bloatware on this one. That's all I think so. Yes, there is no bloatware in this one. Here's the contact. So coming to the conclusion, those who are looking for a branded phone in sub 15,000 range, I think this one is the better phone till date, and it is very affordable also. So you can buy this one, and I'll give my full in-depth review after a week or some days. Yes, you can buy it through Flipkart or Amazon, and I will give the link in the description section, so it will help you. Thank you.